Hey, hello everyone. My name is Arthur. I'm here to present about the Australia Paving ecosystem, a research that is part of assessment one of enterprise innovation from this term. First, I want to talk about the market. So the paving market, compared to the global context in Australia, is considered medium. Is more focused about domestic installations as driveways, landscaping, car parks, shopping centers, street, roads, footpaths, highways. And again, it's more focused about regional thing, not about be a big player in the global context or maybe a supplier. No. One big thing about paving in Australia is the sustainability. So it's mainly focused on using sustainability material or maybe work in a sustainable way. We have the key players. So we have some really big private companies, some examples. We have some parts of the government that helps the private company to do a really good job. And we have the suppliers, again, helping the private companies to have material or even the paving to install. Talking about innovations and key ideas, we have some here, but one really good one is about, again, sustainability and recycle. So using recycled material in the mix of some products as asphalt. And we have the permeable pavements. So instead of installing two different systems, I mean, one paving system and another stormwater system, we have just one system, and this one system will work as a paving, so a car can drive on the top, and this system will let the water go through and work as a stormwater system too. Um, Talking about uh, startups, we have some really new startups working again in sustainability and in technology. Talking about research and institutes, we have mainly uni studying about materials, new materials, and standards to installation of the paving. Moving to the network, we have a lot of connections. For example, B2B, we have buildings and the private companies. Um, B2C, we have residential and driveways. And C2C, we have, for example, the subcontracts of the private companies. Uh, Talking about the value chain, we have the design and engineering, even for the paving himself, or even for the job, the whole area that we need to start the paving. Um, we have the materials, so here more about the suppliers. Here too, manufacturing mixing. So these two and three is more about the suppliers. We have the transportation. Usually we have a different company doing the transportation here in Australia. And surface preparation, laning and compaction. We have the private companies doing this. And in the end, we have quality control and safety and maintains and monitor it. For sure, we have this governing bodies doing this part. Um, Moving to skills, marketing, economy, and contribution. So employment, we have over uh, 30,000 direct and indirect jobs in about paving in Australia. Again, the market size is medium, but estimate 10 between 10 and 12 billion of dollars in the year. Again, construction is a really big thing here in Australia, so for sure we have a lot of dollars here. Um, New marketing markets again is mainly about technology, new technologies in this area and in sustainability for sure. And skills development, I mean, for sure, the marketing need more traders and machine operators, engineers, and project managers. And To get in the end, we have the gaps and barriers of this area. So we have low startups activity. I show you guys three here, but I think for a market with this amount of money, should be more investments in more technology. Uh, the supply chain, we have these small contracts, it's not a big supplier, so even working in small companies, we have more costs for sure. Um, Slow innovation adapting, so the paving have this thing about be really traditional in some things. Construction in general have, so for sure we need more innovation in this area. Uh, and export potential. So highly export products in tech. Again, it's a domestic market, so it's not focusing exporting products or maybe be a big player around the world. So guys, that's it. Thank you very much for being here in the presentation. And yeah, thank you.